So today I'm going to show you how to make this C2C or corner to corner stitch. So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to do it, and we are also going to learn how to make decreases with it to get it to a square. Okay, so we start this way, going, it looks like a rectangle. Then the decrease is gonna make it look like a square, just this way, like a kind of granny square, but confused granny square. Okay, so let's go straight to the video, guys. I'm gonna be using this 4.0 mm hook, and this yarn is an acrylic fiber, so I'm using a double strand. This is a yarn regular. Okay, so you're going to start by making a slip knot just like this, and once you're done with the slip knot, you're going to chain up 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we have our 6 chains. Okay, the next thing to do is to skip 3 chains from the hook. 1 2 3, come to the 4th and make 1 double crochet, then to the 5th and make 1 double crochet, and the 6th and make 1 double crochet. So since the 3 chains counts as a double crochet, we automatically have 4 double crochets right here. Okay, for row 2 you're gonna chain up 6 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you are going to skip 3 again and come over to the 4th and make 1 double crochet, and in the 5th 1 double crochet, and in the 6th 1 double crochet. So you have 4 double crochet again. So you turn your work this way and go into this space. You're gonna skip all these and come to this space, and you're gonna make a slip stitch right there. Chain 3, 1 2 3, make 3 double crochet in the space. 1 2 and 3. So you have 4 double crochets. Now we are at the extreme. You're gonna chain up 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you're gonna skip 3 as usual, come over to the 4th and make 1 double crochet. To the 5th make 1 double crochet, and the 6th you make 1 double crochet. So you turn your work around and make a slip stitch in this space. Okay, so you're gonna chain up 3. 1 2 3. Then you go into this space and you're gonna make 3 more double crochets, making it a total of 4. Okay, so in order for you to have a better and clearer understanding of this stitch, the inner ones are gonna be chain of 3, while at the extreme you're gonna have chain of 6. Okay, so you're gonna go into this space and make a slip stitch, then you're gonna chain 3 and you're gonna make 3 more double crochets in that space. Okay, so this is what our work looks like so far. Let's try one more row again and then we finish up. So you're gonna chain up 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you're gonna skip 1 2 3, and you're gonna come to the 3rd space and make 4th space and make 1 double crochet, and in the 5th make 1 double crochet, and in the 6th make 1 double crochet, you have a total of 4 double crochets. Turn your work around, come to the space and make a slip stitch, then chain 1 2 3, make 3 double crochets in the space, 1 2 and 3, make a slip stitch right here, then chain 1 2 3, make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. This stitch is so sweet, guys. I love it so much. I could work on it all day. So you go into this space and make a slip stitch. Okay, so you're gonna finish up by making chain 3, 1 double crochet, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is what work looks like right now. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make your decrease. Okay, so I'll show you how to make your decrease, then we finish up. So you are here at this extreme. Now you'll be thinking, how do I make my decrease? So for me, this is how I do mine. If you want, you can make a chain 1. If you want, do not. So just turn my work around and skip this and come over to this and make a slip stitch. So we've already eliminated this first one. You can still make a chain 1 and make a slip stitch in there, is your choice, but just making it more simple. So make 2 more slip stitches. That's 1 here and 1 here. Okay, so you are here right now. So you're gonna chain 3 and make 3 double crochets in here. That is 1 2 and 3. Okay, you're gonna make a slip stitch right here, then chain up 3 again, 1 2 3, and you're gonna make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Then you're gonna make a slip stitch, chain 3 and make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. So you're gonna make a slip stitch right here. So since you are decreasing, there is no need working on this part again, so you are just going to turn your work around, and you know how it is, make your slip stitch, and in this space your last slip stitch, and then you're gonna chain 3 and make 3 double crochets, make a slip stitch in here, chain 3, make 3 double crochets, the second one and the third one. So you go into this space and make a slip stitch, turn your work around, skip this and come here and make a slip stitch. This loop is big, so I just wanted to reduce it. Okay, make your slip stitch and a slip stitch and a slip stitch. Then you're gonna chain 3 and you're gonna make 3 double crochet. That is 1, this is 2 and 3. You come right here and make a slip stitch. So this is what our work is looking like. We are done with the decreases. As you can see, it's now a square. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'm making a project with this stitch, so that is it. So you guys should be expecting something beautiful. Bye y'all, see you next time.